only half of all students will pass the CPA exam on their first attempt. Yeah, you heard me right. That means that for all you young professionals with your sights set on a career in accounting, you've got quite some studying to do. Now, the CPA exam is notoriously challenging with a reputation for being one of the toughest professional exams out there. It requires a deep level of knowledge, skills, and dedication that can be overwhelming for even the most motivated and intelligent students. Now, fortunately, there is now a program that is designed to help you ace the CPA on your first time, or they refund you. Yes, you heard me right again. That's a 100% money back guarantee, something that is just absolutely unheard of. So we took it ourselves to see if it was really worth it. Hello and welcome to Becker's Concierge CPA Exam Review. My name is Joe, and today we're excited to introduce you to a brand new service called Concierge. Now, we've had a chance to review a handful of services and courses, and Becker's Concierge is one that stands out to a lot of reviewers. So we were very excited to test this one out. Concierge is not only a comprehensive course that offers full support for students, but it also contains superior resources for taking the CPA exam for the first time, allegedly. In this review, we wanted to answer just two questions. One, can Concierge really help you pass the CPA exam? And two, would we recommend Concierge to any student? So today, we're going to share our complete experience and review of Concierge. And spoiler alert, this program is unlike anything you've ever been a part of. With that, let's dive in. All right, now we all understand this. Throughout your entire degree in accounting, you have known about and prepped for the CPA exam. It's just been waiting for you in the background. And when it finally comes down to that moment, most students struggle to balance their study schedule with work or other commitments, and they often find themselves feeling frustrated and alone in the process. According to the AICPA, the average pass rate for the CPA exam is between 45 to 55%, which means that half of the students who take the exam will fail. So what can you do to improve your chance of success? Study groups? No. Watch endless hours of YouTube videos? No. And that's where Concierge comes in. Concierge is a course that is specifically designed to provide students with the tools and support that they need to pass the CPA exam on their first try. Now, with Concierge, you absolutely don't have to go it alone. The team are rock stars and have been instrumental in helping students get that win on their exam the first time. As I mentioned, our team registered and took the course to make sure it is as good as the reviews, and even had one of our students take the CPA exam after the course was done. Now, with only a 300 student limit, we got incredible personalized attention to succeed, and we're going to break down our experience with Concierge. So when starting out the program, you are first given your own success coach who will guide you through the entire process. Our coach was named Lori, and she was awesome. She showed us the ins and outs of the entire course, helped us build a study plan around our different chaotic work schedules, and we even had periodic check-ins over the phone and via email. This definitely helped keep us motivated when we were tracking behind. And Concierge also enabled us to meet with a tutor for an hour and up to once a week if we wanted to. Now, personally, I met with my BEC tutor, Josh, to cover the cost of capital, which was a particularly difficult subject for me. We ended up meeting for about 45 minutes, and Josh covered all of my questions and helped me build a level of confidence with that specific topic. We also had a personal license navigator that helped us navigate the jurisdiction-specific licensing process, which was a massive help right off the bat. We also got unlimited access to the complete 4-part Becker CPA exam review course with free content updates matching the AICPA's blueprint, including CPA Evolution. Now, this included Becker's final review and a bonus of 900 plus multiple choice questions. Now, this was a real win for us, an absolute game changer, which we had no idea even existed. And of course, we also had access to printed and digital textbooks, as well as live online virtual classes, which were all super helpful throughout our studies. We had a chance to get printed and digital flashcards, a mobile app, and even the award-winning exam study game, which made that study extremely fun. Speaking of that, when it came to actually practicing, we had plenty of options. With the program, you get 8 simulated exams and 12 mini exams, as well as unlimited custom practice tests powered by Adapt2U technology, which were super helpful. Now, all of those included 7,000 plus multiple choice questions and 400 plus task-based simulation questions that included exclusive skill builder solution videos. Basically, we had every opportunity as well as the accountability to be well prepared for whatever the exam threw our way. So after our experience, what sort of benefits did we get with Concierge? First and foremost, with Concierge, we tested with confidence and passed on our first time. That is the main thing. However, there was also a bonus lingering in the back of our minds. In the program, it includes that if you're exam day ready and you don't pass, Becker will refund you up to 100% of the purchase price. Yeah, that is completely unheard of. Now, with Concierge, we saved tons of time and energy. It felt like a real team with a personalized study plan and a dedicated coach. We were able to study more efficiently and effectively, and we felt more confident and prepared when exam day arrived. We also had an immense peace of mind going into the exam. We knew that we had the support and resources needed to succeed, and we were able to focus on our studies without worrying about whether we were on the right track or not. And we even had a plethora of superior resources. Our textbooks, practice exams, and even the video lectures were created by industry experts and were designed to provide us with the most up-to-date information and techniques for passing the CPA exam, which helped so much. And we also loved being a part of this community. We had groups of like-minded students who were all working towards the same goals, so we were able to collaborate and share our experiences with them, ask questions, and get support from others who were going through the same journey as us. So with Concierge, we had the tools and support needed to succeed. Full stop. And because of that, we were able to confidently pass the CPA exam, joining the ranks of the other many successful CPA candidates who have used Concierge. And there you have it. So in conclusion, yes, it is true that the CPA exam is a daunting challenge, but now it doesn't have to be. To answer our earlier questions in this review, 1, can Concierge really help you pass the CPA exam? Yes. And 2, would we recommend Concierge to any student? Yes. With Concierge, we truly believe that you have everything you need to succeed. The full team is committed to providing you with the tools, resources, and support that you need to pass the exam on your first try. From our dedicated success coaches and licensed navigators to our comprehensive course materials and award-winning study tools, they just have everything you need. And don't forget, if you're exam day ready and don't pass, they will refund you up to 100% of the purchase price. Now, I did mention earlier that there is only a 300 student limit for Concierge, so get in early and you can be sure that you'll receive personalized attention and support. So if you're ready to take the next step in your accounting career and want to ensure your success on the CPA exam, click the link below to get started with Concierge. With Becker's Concierge service, you can take control of your future and achieve your dreams of becoming a certified public accountant, guaranteed. Thanks very much for watching, everyone. Once again, this is Joe from Crush the CPA Review. We'll see you next time.